Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your Spicy account using the Spicy app on your Android phone. So keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, tap open your Spicy app from your app drawer. You'll soon be able to see this interface from where you can easily sign up and create a new account, or if you already have an account, you can log in and access to it. To log into your account, tap login at the bottom. Now, you'll need to enter an email address. Go ahead and type in your same email that you used while signing up for Spicy account. Once you are done, on the next field, type in your correct password. After typing in your password, tap login at the bottom. After you do that, you'll be able to log into your Spicy account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.